Did you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency fund? Well, if you're in that situation, then this is just a video for you. You need to do what I'm doing in this 52-week savings challenge. And what that is saving small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. And the small amount of money that we're working with is change. Okay, so yeah, you can still save money for an emergency fund with change. So stay tuned and join me. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025, let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also? And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video? I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. Yes, it is. And sometimes we don't realize that until that time comes and we don't have any money. And I'm running across people that don't have an emergency fund and don't even realize they need one. So anyway, if you're watching this video, I'm not going to say you're in that situation that you don't have one and you don't realize you need one, but you know, these videos that I'm making are kind of like reminders and to bring awareness. So if something like this happens, you'll be okay. Okay. Now, we know we need to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000, which that'll be great if you have it. You have your $1,000, you have emergency for under $1,000. That's wonderful. But then you don't want to stop there. You want to save 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in case something like this happens. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance, and buy food and do whatever you need for at least 3 to 6 months if you save that money. And, you know, we don't save it saying, well, this is going to happen. We don't know what's going to happen. Like, look at all these massive job layoffs. I mean, Amazon laying off 30,000 people. That's a lot of people that's out of work, you know? So hopefully they had some money saved, hopefully. And I have 7 savings challenges. This is savings challenge number 1, which I do on Sundays, even though it's getting posted on Monday. And the reason it's getting posted on Monday because yesterday I felt like I needed some me time. You ever feel like that? You need some me time? Yeah, I guess that needed some me time. And I was like, I was going to try to do it, but I was like, I need some me time. So I just said, well, I'll do it tomorrow. And I'm going to do Mondays today too. So 2 videos going to go today. Yeah. The one thing we need to do is be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. So I'm being consistent by constantly doing these videos to show you all how you can be consistent also. Now, these savings challenges, I'm adding money into them every week. If you can't do every week, I understand. Do it every 2 weeks. If you can't do it every 2 weeks, do it every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, but do something. And if you can't put in the same amount that I'm putting in, put in whatever you can. Do what you can, when you can, and how you can, but do something. So this particular savings challenge, I call it my money jar savings challenge. And this is just a jar. This was a jar full of cheese balls. that I use, and what made me grab this one to use because the lid was purple, which is one of my favorite colors. So anyway, and it's a nice big jar. I was using this jar, and it kept filling up. Then I got a peanut butter jar that was bigger, and it filled up. So I said, when I saw this one, I said, okay, this one shouldn't fill up as fast, and I was corrected. But it's almost filled. You know, this is so heavy, I could not pick it up to put it on this table. So what I had to do, I had to pour some money out onto the floor just so I could pick it up. That's just how heavy it is. And I thought, how in the world are you going to get this in the bank to put it in the coin store machine? Look, where there's a will, there's a way. I'll find it. But anyway, what I'm doing in this particular savings challenge, I'm adding $50 every week. Okay, at first, I was just taking random amounts of change and just throwing in here, whatever I could get my hands on, just to show you. You know, you can just get some money, just get something and start. But then once I got $170 in here, I saw where if I was to put $50 in here every week up until the end of this year, it would be $1,000. So yeah, the total amount in here, I'm surprised that's what's in here. You know, but being patient, consistent, and disciplined. Not taking the money going shopping, which that's something I've been delivered from. I was a shopaholic. Ain't nowhere in the world this money would be sitting in this jar like this. I would have been going shopping. Well, first of all, I don't need nothing. And like I said, I've been delivered from being a shopaholic. Yeah. Some things we just need to be delivered from. Okay, now, will we save this money? We won't have to go get one of these or one of these or one of these or run up a bunch of these, okay? Because this is not free money. None of these are, it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. Okay? We're going to stay out of this, and especially this. Okay? Now, this is good, okay, because it can cause you to have passive income and can cause you to be financially free. Don't you want to be financially free? Yeah, yes you do. We all do, okay? So, this is good. Like, you can do things like invest in buy real estate. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. So you can do stuff like that. And another thing that will help you to be able to save for emergency fund. If you do things to do whatever you can to come out of this, pay this off and pay this off. And that will help you. It will seem like you have a raise. Yes. And if this is your situation, this is a great savings challenge because, like I said, it's working with change. You know, this jar cracked. I had to put some tape around it. It cracked the last time I was using this. Okay, and if this is your situation and this is your situation, it's a great savings challenge because it's working with small amounts of change. Now, like I said, I'm putting $50 in here every week, but you don't have to put that much. I go to the bank and I get these rolls, you know, and what I should be doing, I should be opening them to make sure is that exact amount in here. But I should, because you don't know, this says this is $5 worth of dimes. It may not be $5. It could be $4.90. It could be short a dime or a couple of dimes. But I guess I'm just not gonna worry about it. So anyway, you don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes. You want to have some money to tap into. Okay? Yeah. Okay, and another thing that will help you, go to the grocery store and buy food and meal prep. And when you're there, if you're a person that likes to go to this place, I was watching some video and the YouTuber was in the drive-thru getting this. They had just got this. I said, you didn't even watch my videos. But anyway, if you go to the store and buy this coffee or any kind of coffee, because I know a lot of people like to drink this coffee and they like to go through this on their way to work or on their way home or something. And you would have more coffee and spend less money if you buy it and make it yourself. Okay? All right, now, and another thing we're going to do is read our affirmations. We have affirmations that we're reading. These affirmations are what we're decreeing and declaring what we want to happen. And you can literally speak things into existence, but you have to expect it. You have to believe that it's going to happen. You can't have any negative thoughts in your mind. Get all the negativity out and have positive thoughts. And like I said, believe it and expect it. Just like when a farmer is planting seeds out in the field, like if he's planting some corn or whatever he plants, he expects a harvest, right? He don't go out there and just throw seeds and say, oh, if it come up, it come up. No, he's expecting it. That's why he's planting it. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to expect it. So let's go ahead and say our affirmations and write these down and say them every day as much as you can. Every day, all day, as much as you can. So this is how it goes. I decree and I declare that money now cometh to me. I decree and I declare send prosperity now. I decree and I declare I am now debt free and I owe no man nothing. I decree and I declare that I have more than enough money. I decree and I declare that my checking account balance is, and write down what you want your checking account balance to be. I decree and I declare that all of my bills are paid in full and all of my needs are met. I decree and I declare I don't live in lack. Wait a minute. I decree and I declare I do not live in lack or want. And I decree and I declare that I am now financially free. Yay! Okay, so believe it, receive it, and expect it. All right? Okay, so let's go ahead and add our money to our money jar. Here. See, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and add this to our money jar. $50. Okay. Come on. Oh, some of these are hard to open. Okay, that's 5. All right. Especially these. These are really hard. Oh, there we go. 10. Okay. 15. Yeah. Come on. 15. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 50. All right. Okay. 20. Oh. 20. 20. Come on. Okay. 25. If you hit it just right, it opens up. Okay. 25. Oh no. Okay, some fell on the floor. What's that, 25? 30, or is this 25? Oh, I think this is 25, right? I think. I'll pick those ones up off the floor when I finish filming. Oh, come on. 25. Okay? 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, so that must have been 30. Because 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay, that was $30. Okay? Come on. Oh, man. Okay, we'll do 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. Oh man, I'm dropping it on the floor. Okay, I'll get it. 45. 45. And 50. Yay! Okay. Okay, now we can go ahead and record this. Okay, now this year is almost over. This is a 52-week savings challenge, and we're on week number, what is this, 40, what week is it, 40? Week 47, okay? And this is our money jar. Okay, this is supposed to be recorded on November 16th, which is Sunday. What would I say? Money jar savings challenge. We added $50, and the total amount is $800. Can you believe $800 is in here for the change? Because last Sunday it was $750. So now it's $800. Wow, can you believe it? Yeah. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got great value out of this video. I hope someone said to help you. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you're doing the savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.